There was a for high GC News, Mima Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Enamede Bremo. I don't see so young subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say obe subscribe. The way I say obe click the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification. We understand video for be upload no. When the first person I want sa ebeka AS video. I feel we are now like video no give us a thumbs up now fe share ma wo for so that when you be here na wo hu somewhere koso Ghana memo. I feel yembu re ye somewhere beto yepno so John Dramani Mahama say as the president of the Republic of Ghana. This is Wababe, the president of Ghana. Now, answer na waba a Independence Square ho amaya swen inu. Ya hearing arrival said ye whatever a Independence Square honum. Umay hear a sa video umay hear.
Yeah, say former president, sorry. Because another president just walked in order who that president is. Yeah, otchere. I don't know whether it's a president footage Nico. There's somebody coming in. There's a car coming in. I could tell, say, by vice president. I wouldn't, because when I said the NDC for no a budget so, a budget so, no. I won't be surprised. This will be Jane Nana Opokwajima. In fact, the president of the republic is coming in. President-elect is coming in. Usually, swearing in Dua, you find the horses leading the president-elect into the Independence Square. As we speak, we can call it Parliament of Ghana because hono akwaye mrasebedwam anapay say sit march here. That is say Independence Square one year to us one. And my crossover will come back into the studio and then whatever is happening we will let you know.
John Mahama is an avid reader, author, and historian. Over the course of his career, he has written for several newspapers and authored several publications. He has also published a memoir, his first book titled My First Coup d'Etat, and other true stories from the lost decades of Africa. President Mahama's love for reading and taste for knowledge.
So we have several parties stalwarts.
Yes, these are actually members of parliament of the NDC. Members of parliament of the NDC mostly are those you find on your screens currently. And these are members of the MDP on your screens, as and more dignitaries arrive at the Blaster Square here to witness the
May I now call the House to order and invite the majority and the minority leaders to assist me receive Her Excellency the Vice President-elect of the Republic of Ghana, together with His Excellency the President-elect of the Republic of Ghana. Honorable majority and minority leaders may proceed now.
Tenti ye ka say na right speaker Alban Sumana Kingsford Babing wono afre minority and majority leader said ya mekachire wono vice president elect Jane Nano Pokwajimai and then the president elect John Dramani Mahama or arrive at Parliament House, not Parliament House as in the Chamber of Parliament, your Independence Square, but it is the Parliament House this morning, and the best way president elect into office and the vice president elect. In Tiaka say majority leader Ato Forson and the minority leader Afenyo Markins, Womuna Edi Enimu and a speaker Edietri. Majority and minority the Enimu and a speaker Edietri. In fact, minority the Enimu and majority dinechi. Because ono akwatena that spiritual chair ya na nenye hono atena so into media ni mu majority leader atwaso Jane na no Kweku Annan born 22nd November 1951 were a Ghanaian academic and a politician vice president elect. She served as the Minister of Education 2013 President-elect John Dramani Mahama na memuomu January 2017 and omunyina ifrade so or a full professor in literature, first female vice chancellor. In fact, this will be her first female vice in Ghana. Until no first no we can what the tosumienu ya wenya enono. She took over as vice chancellor of the University of Cape Coast. Currently serves as the Chancellor of the Women's University in Africa. And tina na bakosem kakra ya metimi akachro enono vice president elect ono enomo oshan in and then the president himself ebeba na oma osha ni in nana
yeah what I said Mr. Speaker Efre nimpenimfo a Rebecca said ni bemku hini ni fahene na womo Kwaku Shia empenimfo ene womu nti na ya bodwe se camera se bedwafo de ne nkwanka ye wie sa brinka womo kwasetena na se speaker agene sitting ba se se yi de sa empenimfo mienu nti na de yehunu e wo Ghana ma hohodom aba ne ade ama empenimfo no abedi akira dadafo ene yatu omo afiri womo nkache so no womo nkonwa so womo aba yina sa nipa kese mienu entra. Exactly. Vice president elect and a president elect.
Yeah.
And there and woman ever soften when I was say or man didn't say I can't say.
In fact, there's something on television. I am a man for who TV, I'm more radio, no, Obeko Facebook, Bawumia Facebook, Onia TV, and Onia 95.1 FM. In the middle of a year police form, you know, the president elect. Na nanim Osha said there a horses near Stratford and you ask yourself why. Don't forget, President sworn in is the commander in chief of the Republic of Ghana. And Tiagadi Akufo Addo no swear in and they wouldn't Sammy and the best swear in no na a idea or no bear commander in chief. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ashe a year Stratford uniform pay. When he was the president of Ghana, was for uniform
yeah.
On the 6th of March, was she be paying? The agenda nipa ba kwa na yeah 6th of March independence ya ne nikasem ne DJ former president Jerry John Rawlings. Yeah, when the baby call. He was a military man and then did coup, became the president, democratic president. But you could feel his military presence anytime.
Yes, you drama and so I akaya.
Wow, yeah. Yeah. Makai so jabre. Na yo twa salute say ya.
Just what you say. Na the bed mienu. Onu kwan de odi mienu ma usa de no emia no.
Who say vim wom. Who say vim wom. Na just a soldier man democratic president na Ojine Samba. John Dramani Mahama born November 29th 1958. Afia pe mahankro ni aduonum enwotwe. A Ghanaian politician, president-elect as a year 2024. Idea a nay ena omo inaugurating president of Ghana 24 July 2012. Sabre no man pegini Atta when yan baby cross Adano now to Mr. Brichia na Bogana na nyasem ketwa. We had to swear him in that same day. Emma no be your mampanyi. And a Ghana for sign to aba edema no na obeyo mampanyi January 7th 2013. Etwa ejuma no years before then he was the vice president to Atta Mills, Fifi Atta Mills. Brown no ebeyo mampanyi after John Ejekum Kufo 2018 to one John Evans Atta Mills and a swear in 2009. It was the same venue. Sabreno Akufrano on the Samienu and the swear in, and we are expecting His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to do same. John Dramani Mahama, Neyere Lordina Mahama, former First Lady, who would be the First Lady just in some few minutes. Now Ababe, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. Anti Abakwasem Kakra, ya fa John Dramani Mahama, and no papai da bakwasem ne doso papa o hwe said ya ono omampanyini niema ahodo a na breso otumi be ye in fact na the vice president at that time Kwesi Emisata the late wenya ne baby ekro ono John Dramani Mahama the vice president eno February 17 2013 to 19 May 2015 adia Alasani Ouattara ono omampanyini Alasani Ouattara. He succeeded Alassane Ouattara as ECOWAS Community of West African States. Obeye Womoche, Meche John Dramani Mahama, enti yenim ene president-elect. So munya swear ni ina, minimbra ECOWAS for betimi ato abama no. Ose eye fita mekai eye amwakwata in a Sunday sermon ekatre president-elect say wo kwa akoye swear ni na oma bibi kokko e wonatariem. He's looking different. He's looking very handsome. He's looking more Ghanaian. Oshe Natari Fita. In fact, he's looking more northern. And with this new swearing in today. Akonyanoa South African Overcheer Chief Justice Mahama Torkornoo. Oshe white. Where your friend say Agbada Mebwa. Aye. Na the inside no short sleeves. Na what the Ghana kente e de adwura ne nsa no e de adwura de tutugu so no ho e na Ghana kente na bia omade anwene che e de amano a e hye no fe as usual. He doesn't go without his shades. What should the space ya wo jintia e chia Ghana for e do ma se go su chia omo Chief Justice Eben.
You may now resume your seats.
Because so we now subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe say had latest and hot news and bro. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now share my offer so now when you be here now and somewhere so Ghana memoir also bet me otchere wadwen afaye some way nyina ho comment box ni mu mobati minkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.